This is the second Green Innovation Network that we've held. The first one was in May, and there are some faces here that I recognise from the first event. So thank you very much for attending our second, but this is also our first annual sustainability showcase. This is a Wales Island project, so we are learning about the green economy and how the green economy is working both in Wales and Ireland. So it's really important, this Wales Island link. And we're doing that through networking, through training, through projects and through case studies. That really is, in essence, is the whole of the project.
It's that in an academic or a local government or in a business arena, you should be now thinking about this material flow economy and where your points of exposure are in that process in terms of where the raw materials are going to, coming from and what the price dynamic is around that, and indeed in the exit route, what's happening to the dynamic of your products as waste when they're rejected by your customers or whatever. It's here a rock, there a rock, everywhere a rock. They're pouring subsidies into this system. Subsidies never work. Nobody invests in businesses on the basis of subsidies because, as we know, with solar and other actions, subsidies aren't there for life. So in my book, I'm arguing that we just need a flat rate gigajoule input tax, whether it's petrol, gasoline, dead dogs, or waste, and you need a CO2 emissions tax on the technology. Think about where the environmental dynamic is impacting on your lines of supply or your market demand, or both, and establish your priorities there. You've got to think about the fact that you're in a global commons now where the dynamic is going to be both disruptive and fast. So whatever you're doing, you have to do that in communities like this. You have to share, you have to exchange, and you have to form strategic partnerships.
I'm now a house builder, got a little bit fed up I'm a frustrated architect, so I'm now actually building things I actually very passionate about, buildings I love. And Grand Designs phoned us up and said, we're doing a live show in Birmingham, can we display one of your buildings? And they were offering us the space for free, and we were going to be a feature of the exhibition. However, we'd never built one before. This is all brand new. We were like, we hope we may have got some orders, and somebody may have come along and gone, oh, can I have one of those at Grand Designs or at Interbuild? But unfortunately, it didn't happen. It was kind of just the beginning of the recession. Everybody's been very, very careful with spending money. Got on Photoshop and had a play around and managed to turn it into something which looked like an actual real building. And then the same with the interior. That's as far as we got with the interior, Grand Designs, and a bit of Photoshop work. And I finished it off. It's a lot easier to build a building in Photoshop.
We're going to have a look at 11 Irish and Welsh businesses and seeing what they're doing in the green economy. They can tell us their successes, challenges.
Something I had from my mother. She was very, very keen on the environment in general. Then running a business, we thought going green would be a way of attracting people and also saving money, primarily saving money.
My name is Adam Briley. I work for Carbon Zero. Carbon Zero was established in 2009, so we've actually been operating for 3 years. So we actually have a low carbon emitting office. The reason that it's low carbon emitting is that we actually have solar panels installed. We only have a 1 kilowatt solar PV demonstrating panel on the office, but this is enough to power 50% of our energy needs. The reason that it can do this is because we actually install a lot more products.
Which we're seeing in this room today of people joining together, sharing ideas, supporting people has been a fantastic help to us. And we really do believe as small groups join together, be it over building, be it over food products, that you learn from each other and you can move forward much more confidence in very difficult recessional times.
Right, Pnawn da. My name is John Whitehead. I run an water and eco guest house with 6 rooms just by the huge, great power station at Blaenau Ffestiniog at Tannu Grisia. The eco thing happened early with us. We went to CAT and got inspired, so we put solar panels on the house in '83, which is still ticking away now. Simple system, no overheat, works brilliantly.